Hello and welcome to How to Grow Taller, your go-to channel for clear, science-backed advice on helping kids grow healthy and strong. Today, we're tackling a question every parent asks at some point. How can I keep track of my child's growth the right way? It's not just about marking lines on a wall, but understanding what those numbers mean, spotting any issues early, and giving your child the best chance to reach their full height potential. So, let's break down a few practical, reliable ways to monitor growth, all backed by real science and easy to do at home. 1. Use a growth chart. Growth charts are one of the best tools out there. Pediatricians use them to compare your child's height, weight, and body mass index with other kids the same age and sex. The percentile tells you if your child is on track. For example, if your child is in the 70th percentile for height, it means they're taller than 70% of kids their age. Checking percentiles regularly can show you if your child is following their expected curve. A sudden drop or jump may be a sign to talk with your doctor. 2. Measure height at home correctly. Between doctor visits, measure your child's height at home every few months. Make sure you do it barefoot, on a flat floor, against a flat wall, using a book or ruler to mark the height, then measuring with a tape. Always measure at the same time of day, ideally in the morning, because height in the morning is less affected by spinal compression, gravity, and daily physical activities. 3. Watch for other growth milestones. Height is just one piece of the puzzle. Pay attention to other signs of healthy growth, like appropriate weight gain, muscle development, and signs of puberty at the right age. Delayed or early puberty can sometimes affect final height, so keep an eye out and check with your doctor if you're concerned. 4. Keep an eye on nutrition. One of the most common reasons kids fall behind on their growth curve is poor nutrition. Make sure your child eats enough protein, calcium, vitamin D, and other key nutrients from their daily meals and limit junk foods. Sometimes, supplements can help fill gaps if your child is a picky eater or they are going through growth spurts, but always talk with your doctor first. 5. Consider a professional check if needed. If you notice your child's growth slowing down or falling below their usual percentile, don't panic, but don't ignore it either. Your doctor may recommend a bone age X-ray to see if your child's growth plates are developing normally. They might also check hormone levels, especially growth hormone or thyroid function, which play big roles in growth. Parents, tracking growth is more than marking a line on the wall. Use growth charts, measure correctly, watch other milestones, focus on good nutrition, and check in with your doctor if something doesn't feel right. If you'd like us to make a video on how to read a growth chart or understand bone age, let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to How to Grow Taller, and share it with other parents who care about their child's healthy development. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.